In this video I'm going to show you how to fold the handle down on your Ryobi 40V lawnmower. To fold the handle down on your Ryobi 40V lawnmower, you need to find these little clips on either side, so when you're standing behind your lawnmower you can see them, one on the left side, one on the right side. What you need to do is push this up and you'll see it'll come loose. Go to the other side. Now we're going to come over to this side and do the same thing. We're going to turn this up. I need two hands, so let me put you over here. I'm going to hold the handle up. I'm going to twist this like I did on the other side. I'm going to unlock it, and then the handle will fold forward. With the handle folded forward, turn these back around. The little pin here will lock back in place, so you can pick this up by the handle and don't have to worry about it. We'll do the same on this side. Turn it around and it locks into place. If you want to put the handle back up, turn these out. Grab the handle, pull it up, hold it, and then you can just turn these back around and it'll lock back into place. And then you can go and use your lawnmower again. And that's how to fold the handle on this Ryobi 40V lawnmower.